time we go, every time we go down that line again, we don't know what's wrong, but it's killing us, so we really don't know what's going to happen, so we even try to show if this is going to happen. And I say, I'm sorry, they say, for all the bullshit I said to your beautiful face. You're such a beautiful angel to my beautiful self. You pick me up and down, always telling me I was such a beautiful man. You never really let me down, but I'm sorry for all the things I really said to you. And now I gotta say these 2 words to you. I'm not a good man, but I tried my very best. So I'll tell you the sad story that I'm gonna have to say. I had a bad kid, I'm not a good kid, but I'll just say this. My daddy's a really good man, Donna's a good person, so I'll have to say this. Donna, I'm so sorry for all the bad things that I did, and you're trying your best to make me into a good person. And I say, yeah, I say, oh, I say, not person. I'm not perfect. I'm not normal. We're not normal. Can I be normal just for me? Who